If you're planning to sell your home, flooring is one of the most important yet overlooked elements that can make or break your sale. The wrong flooring can, quite frankly, turn buyers off instantly, lower your offers, or even completely stop your home from selling at all. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through the worst flooring choices you should absolutely avoid, what buyers are actually looking for, and also the best alternatives that will help you sell your home faster and, for most importantly, more money. Whether you're selling in New York, Long Island, or anywhere else, this advice applies to homes in every single market. All right, so before we dive in, just a quick heads up, if you need a trusted realtor in New York, okay, my contact info is all in the description below. And if you're looking for a referral to a top agent out of state, I can help with that too. Just reach out using the info down there as well. Okay, so with that being said, let's talk about about flooring. First, let's start with the obvious, old stained carpet. Okay, nothing screams this house needs more work like dingy wall-to-wall carpet, especially in living areas or hallways. It's one of the fastest ways to lose buyer interest. Even if the rest of your home is updated, bad carpet instantly dates it. The solution: replace it with either a low pile neutral carpet in bedrooms only, or better yet, install a more modern hard flooring option like engineered hardwood or luxury vinyl plank. If replacing isn't in the budget, at the very least, have it professionally cleaned, deodorized, and stretched. Okay, so next, let's talk about outdated tile or linoleum. You know the ones, those yellow sheets of vinyl in the kitchen or tiny pattern tiles in the bathroom. Buyers today want clean, modern surfaces, and unfortunately, old tile or linoleum sends the message that the home hasn't been updated in decades. These floors are also tough to stage around, and they rarely ever look good in photos. So consider replacing them with large format neutral porcelain tile, waterproof vinyl, or engineered wood if the space allows for it. Okay, so another common mistake: mixing too many different types of flooring throughout the home. If each room has a different surface, carpet here, tile there, laminate over there, it breaks up the flow and can make the house feel chopped up and less cohesive. Okay, they're looking for a consistent, unified feel. Okay, so try to choose one flooring material for the main living areas, and if you must change it up, do so cleanly, like tile in the bathrooms or mudroom, but keep consistent transitions and similar tones throughout. Very important to understand. So let's also address cheap or low quality laminate. While laminate flooring can look decent in listing photos, once buyers see it in person, they often notice it feels hollow, sounds loud, or scratches easily. It just doesn't offer the durability or feel that buyers expect, especially in mid to higher end homes. Today's buyers are much more savvy. They know the difference between real wood and plastic planks. If your budget allows, upgrade to a quality luxury vinyl plank or engineered hardwood. These give you the wood look that buyers are really craving for and are looking for, with the better performance and just ultimately a better return on investment. One trend that's starting to backfire is overly dark or overly gray flooring. While dark espresso floors were popular for a while, they now tend to make spaces feel smaller, show every speck of dust, and feel a bit dated, quite frankly. Similarly, cool gray flooring that was trendy in recent years is starting to feel cold and overdone, especially in warmer or more traditional homes. Instead, opt for neutral tones. Think warm, light oak, beige or mid-tone browns that appeal to a wider audience and work with a variety of design styles. Here's another flooring pitfall. Wood look tile in the wrong spaces. While wood look tile can be great in bathrooms or laundry areas, using it throughout the entire house can feel cold and hard underfoot. It also tends to have grout lines that collect dirt and discolor over time. If you're set on tile, choose large format matte finish tiles in natural stone or neutral tones and keep the grout lines minimal and matching. Okay, very, very important to understand. Okay, so now let's talk about DIY flooring jobs. Buyers can spot a bad flooring installation from a mile away. Even uneven transitions, lifted corners, mismatched patterns. If you're going to upgrade your flooring to help sell your home, make sure it is installed by a professional. Okay, poor workmanship not only looks bad, but it raises red flags for buyers who may start questioning the quality of the rest of the house. So at this point, you may be thinking, okay, but what flooring should I use to sell my home faster and for more money? Okay, what exactly should I do? And that's a great question. So now let's cover that. One of the top choices right now is luxury vinyl plank, also known as LVP. It's affordable, waterproof, it's durable, and it comes in a wide range of colors and textures. Buyers absolutely love it. I get great feedback on this because it looks like real wood, okay? But it's low maintenance and great for families, for pets, and for very, very high traffic areas. If your home is in a higher end market, engineered hardwood is an excellent choice, okay? It gives that real wood luxury feel, is more stable in humid climates than solid hardwood, and it comes in wider planks that look modern, okay? And ultimately, they really just look timeless. Engineered hardwood adds value, and it appeals to buyers across all different age groups, okay? Old and young. In bathrooms and kitchens, neutral large format tile works beautifully. Okay, avoid flashy patterns or small mosaics. Instead, go for a clean modern tile with light grout. It makes the space feel fresh, clean, and easy to maintain. Okay, and don't discount low pile neutral carpet in bedrooms. Okay, soft, quiet, and cozy. It has a place, just don't use it everywhere. Don't go too crazy. Stick to calming tones like beige, like a taupe, a light gray, and make sure it's clean and odor free. All right, so here's a quick real life example. Okay, a seller I recently worked with had 3 different floors on the main level. Okay, they had tile, dark laminate, and stained carpet. Okay, we replaced everything with one consistent mid-tone LVP throughout, touched up the paint, and staged the space minimally. Okay, the home was sold in 4 days with multiple offers and over asking. Okay, flooring made that difference. Okay, so to wrap it up, the flooring in your home plays a huge role in how buyers perceive value, cleanliness, and move-in readiness. Okay, avoid outdated, worn, or overly trendy flooring. Stick with materials that are durable, neutral, and broadly appealing. And remember, consistency is key. All right, buyers want to walk through the home and feel like everything is flowing together. So if you're planning to sell your home and want to help deciding what upgrades will actually pay off, reach out. If you're in New York, I'd be happy to help you personally. And if you're located out of state, I can refer you to a trusted agent in your area. Just use the contact information down in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more real estate tips, and leave a comment below telling me what type of flooring is in your home right now or what you're planning to upgrade. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for checking out this video, and I look forward to seeing you all again in the next one.